think that voters can be taken for a ride and voters can be fooled. They are trying to fooling the people by their promises of freebies. Now Tamil Nadu voter has to decide whether they want to perpetually wait for freebies coming from the state or whether they want good jobs which will give them life of decency, self-respect and choice. Life of self-respect, dignity and choice. That what Modi pattern of development is. And what they want to make everybody to wait in his home, queue for some kind of freebies. This is undermining voters' aspirations. Earlier there was no choice for Tamil Nadu voters because DMK is also indulged into freebies. AIDMK, and there is a competition in competitive populism engaged in announcing freebies. But if we X-ray, first Amma has yesterday declared many freebies, but she forgets her promises once she wins. In 2011, she promised that she will rectify the electricity situation within 3 months. 5 years down the lane, the loan of the electricity has increased, loss of electricity corporation has increased to 98,000 crore rupees. She said, promised in 2011 that there will be 20,000 new industries she will bring. Actually, industries moved out of Tamil Nadu and many have been closed. And now she is promising again that she will bring 20,000 industries. Does they think that people are fool? She last time promised 20 liters of mineral water to below poverty line families free of cost. She is not giving free water, she is charging 10 rupees for a bottle. She is making business. She is not giving free mineral water to poor. And again here, the choice should be whether people should get good tap water in their home or whether they should be required to take mineral water only. We believe in a system where the tap water will be potable, healthy and safe. That is BJP's philosophy. And that is our program. Her second special feature is, as she forgets her promises, she puts her stamp on center scheme. That is her pet. Yesterday she announced Tuimai Gramam. Tuimai Gramam, that is Swachh Bharat. We are doing it. And we will do it for Tamil Nadu people. We will do it for all India. But she just changes the name of central scheme, Tuimai Gramam. So whatever grants we will give under Swachh Bharat, she will put Amma's photo and Tuimai Gramam. That is the trick. Politics is not gimmicks. People understand. She said 80% subsidy for pump sets. Last 10 years, 15 lakh Tamil Nadu farmers have applied for connection and they are not getting connection. Both DMK and ADMK have ditched farmers. They are not giving them connection. And she is saying 80% subsidy. First give connection, and then central government has already declared a scheme where we are going to give free of cost agriculture pumps. We will change inefficient old agriculture pumps by new energy efficient pumps. So what we are giving free, she is announcing that she will give 80% subsidy. So this is putting her stamp on center schemes by just changing name. I have already explained Amma Arasi, nothing Amma Arasi. 32 rupees center gives, 3 rupees Amma gives. And she says Amma Arasi, no, it's Pradhan Mantri Arasi. Third special feature, she stops center scheme. Center is giving schemes for welfare of Tamil Nadu people and she is stopping many schemes. I'll just name 3. She has yesterday promised free internet. How it will happen? We are going to take high band broadband connectivity to 250,000 gram panchayats, all gram panchayats of Tamil Nadu. We want to take free Wi-Fi facility and free internet broadband facility. We are giving it for free. She has just to give a right of way, allow digging of the road and completing again. She has to do nothing, just give a permission. The state has to give only permission that to allow to lay broadband cables without fees. That's all. We are not asking any money from Tamil Nadu government, and we are going to give Tamil Nadu people free internet, free Wi-Fi even in villages. But she doesn't sign MOU, doesn't give us permission, and now declares that she will give internet and Wi-Fi. You are stopping Central's development schemes. Uday, already discussed. And wind energy. There is unlocked potential of 7,500 megawatts of wind energy. And this wind energy, the state Tangenco is not ready to sign the MOU. All states have signed. The 3 cases which I mentioned, major states and all other states have signed, only Tamil Nadu is not signing. How they will take? These are the good schemes. Now DMK says Jallikattu, we will ensure that the Jallikattu is allowed. You banned it. Congress and DMK, UPA government banned it. First, apologize the people for banning Jallikattu. I have notified allowing Jallikattu. And I am very sure in Supreme Court in July, we will definitely convince the courts, argue for Jallikattu for farmers and regular, yes. And last point by DMK and ADMK. It's irony that both are talking about Lokayukta and prohibition. This is unheard of. Both the parties, if real Lokayukta comes, who will be in the jail? Only both the party leaders will be in jail. So they will never allow Lokayukta. They will just give lip service. They will not give Lokayukta. And prohibition, as I have already explained, democracy is defined as for the people, by the people, of the people. Both DMK and ADMK are for the liquor lobbies, by the liquor lobbies, for the liquor lobbies. TASMAC is their main source of income and everything, patronage. So they're promising, both promising Lokayukta and prohibition is the cruel joke played on people of Tamil Nadu. So this time I am very sure I have travelled at many constituencies and I will be travelling again the full next week. And I am very sure that Tamil Nadu is ripe for change. So just to sum up again, AIDMK and DMK should not think that they can take voters for a ride because voters are not fool. Now you can't fool people anymore. You can't fool people for some time, not every time. So this is not some time. This time they are not going to be fooled around. Voters have to decide, and that's my appeal, whether they want to wait for freebies offered by DMK and ADMK or whether they want a guaranteed job which Modi programs promises, permanent job which will give them self-respect, dignity and choice. So instead of waiting for a free cell phone from Amma, they can go and buy their own. So that's the choice Tamil Nadu voters have to make. And as I have said, both the parties and particularly Amma forgets once she wins. Last time she promised 20 liters mineral water per day per BPL family free of cost. Now she is charging 10 rupees. She puts her stamp on center scheme. Yesterday she declared Tui Mai Gramam. Tui Mai Gramam. That is Swachh Bharat. And that is where the central grants will come. But she will put her stamp. Amma Arasi. And that's Pradhan Mantri Arasi. 32 rupees we are paying. You are paying only 3 rupees. Now she is saying 80% subsidy on pump set. We will be giving free of cost pump sets to farmers. State government needs to give connection to farmers, which they are not giving. 15 lakh farmers are waiting for connection for last 10 years. And she is stopping all good schemes of center. Internet, she is promising internet. And she is not allowing internet to come to the state. We are providing free, at free. All Gram Panchayats and villages will be provided Wi-Fi and broadband connectivity. Internet connectivity. Broadband, internet connectivity to all the villages of Gram Panchayat, but she is not allowing us to dig and give the right of way. And Uday, she is not doing MOU, and wind energy, they are not ready to do MOU. So this is absolutely, and last but not least, again I will recommend, just repeat, DMK and ADMK talking about Lokayukta and prohibition is a worst kind of joke ever played on people of Tamil Nadu. Both won't do because the whole patronage of both the parties comes from Tasmak barons, and Lokayukta, if they really form, they will put both the party leaders in jail. Yeah. What time? Yes, so that's all from my side.